Ready?
All right. It down.
Okay, cool. Me neither. No, I'm just kidding. This is the Mustang Mach-E GT. So 480 horsepower, 600 pound-feet of torque, 0 to 63.5 seconds. Basically, what all those numbers mean is this car's really fast. A couple features of our Mach-E here. We're going to have speakers on the dashboard here as well as on the doors. It's all Bang & Olufsen, so it sounds super good. You'll actually hear it in just a minute. If you look above us, we have a glass roof that's tinted, so it's not super bright in the sun or anything like that. And we also have our touchscreen here, which has a volume knob still, which I like a lot. All right, you like going fast?
Yep.
Perfect, I like going fast too, so that's what we're gonna do here. This might be the fastest you've gone indoors.
Launch mode enabled. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What do you think?
That was cool.
Yeah. All right, so a couple other features of our Mach-E here. We're going to have wireless charging in the center console here, as well as USB-C and Type-A ports in front, Type-C and Type-A behind us as well for the back rail. We also are going to have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, which is standard on all Mach-Es and works both wired or wirelessly, whatever you prefer. The Mach-E GT, like the one we're in right now, starts at $59,995 and has at least 270 miles of range.
Okay. So this is the Mach-E GT.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yep.
0 to 60 and 3.5.
3.5. 480 horsepower, 600 pound-feet of torque.
All right.
So she's quick. What's super cool too is all the Mach-Es are going to have a front up front, and it has a drain plug, so you can like put like maybe the cooler or whatever. If you have a bunch of wet stuff, you can throw it in there, and then you can clean it all out, which is super neat. So we're going to pull forward here, and then I'll let you out. A little faster than the Mini, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So all the GTs here are going to be four-wheel drive as well. There are two-wheel drive options, which are always going to be rear-wheel drive, but this one, all the GTs will be four-wheel drive.